the meteorite. Oh, bless those hands of yours, Mom. This breakfast is absolutely delicious.
Glad that you liked it, love. Mutlu, you should finish your breakfast first, son. Then you can play with your tablet.
All right, Mommy.
Where are you going, honey?
I'm gonna go train with Zuzu, Mom.
You're simply the best, my dear.
You've been in the highest spirits since you heard from Minnie and Manny.
That's exactly right, Mom. Things are getting back on track. See you later.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Uh-oh. What's wrong with this radio?
Oh, this is a very old radio. It's broken. I'll take care of it now, my love.
La la la! I have a pink planet medallion now. Okay, how about we see when Minnie and Manny are coming back? Let me ask. Is this the wrong button? The yellow button was the contact button. Aw, it doesn't work. Yesterday it was working perfectly. Maybe I should go somewhere higher. Nope, nothing.
Neşe, what are you doing up there?
Minnie and Manny gave me this medallion to contact them, but it's not working. Oh, what do I do?
You can try to contact them later. We gotta train first. You now have another chance to enter the tennis tournament. Did you forget that?
How could I forget that, Zuzu? I want to compete in that tournament so much.
All right then, so let's go train. Are you ready, Neşe?
I am, Zuzu.
Up,
Hop,
up,
hop,
up,
hop,
up.
hop.
Oh!
Mutlu, are you okay?
Now look! Couldn't you find anywhere else to play tennis? Come on, Mutlu. You walked right into the game because you weren't looking.
What on earth is this sound? I think something happened.
Let's go take a look. Why is this not working now? I was playing with it 2 seconds ago.
What is going on around here?
I think the traffic lights must be broken. Even the ambulance can't move.
We should tell our moms and call for some help.
I'm with you, Neşe. Our moms will know what to do. Come on, hurry up.
Mommy? Daddy?
I am coming to you with a special report. There is still a power outage across the city, and even our satellite links are lost.
I don't quite understand this. What is really going on?
Mommy! My tablet isn't working!
I need to use my pink planet medallion. I really hope this transform button works. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. It's really hard to fly. How can Minnie and Manny do this?
Neşe, did you see the news? The power is off. None of the electronic devices turn on.
I know, Zuzu. I need to contact Minnie and Manny for their help. Wait for me right there with Zuzu, Yumak. I'll be back soon.
Be careful, Neşe!
It isn't working! The others do, but not the yellow button! I need to fly up a lot higher. I think it's working!
Neşe, can you see me now?
I sure can, Manny. I've been trying to reach you for hours.
Hear us well, Neşe. The world is in big trouble. We need your help and fast.
What's going on?
Shopalot sent a meteorite straight to your Earth!
Oh, is it going to hit us soon?
We have bigger problems than the meteorite hitting your Earth, Neşe.
What could be worse than that, huh?
It's the Shopalots. Their research robots are all inside this meteorite. Before they reached your world, they broke all the communication systems.
And if these robots explore the world, you may be invaded by the Shopalots!
But what exactly can I do?
We are on our way to Earth. We are coming to help. But you should catch the meteorite before we arrive.
Who, me? So wait, am I going into space?
We don't have much time left. Use the medallion. The green button will help you stop the meteorite.
To space! The meteorite is there. I need to stop it. It is way too fast for me. It's about to enter the Earth's atmosphere. I need to do something.
Neşe!
Minnie, Manny, I am so happy to see you guys. Help me out here, will ya?
We came right on time. Hang in there.
It's too hard.
We did it!
It stopped! The robots are gone!
They're gone? But how, though?
They are heading straight to your home planet!
We need to go stop them.
Too late! The robots are about to reach Earth!
But where exactly?
Oh, they're heading to your garden!
Hop, 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 hop. Whoa! The ball just suddenly stopped in the air. Hello there. I'm Mutlu. Who are you? And what did you do to my ball?
Get away from my brother. Mutlu! You mock! Enough of you naughty robots! Stay away from my Earth and my family!
Let's stop them with the green beam!
Oh, they never stay in one place! There! I got one of them! I don't think we can catch them one by one!
Let's catch the mother robot! I bet if we catch it, they will all stop!
Which one is the mother robot?
The biggest one!
I got it!
You can't let go, Neşe!
Hey, what just happened? Neşe? Minnie? Manny? When did you get here?
Calm down, everything is okay. The Shopalots sent these robots to explore the habitat of your home planet, but we stopped them.
You naughty robot! Stay away from our home and our planet! Neşe, the ambulance made it to the hospital on time. Everything went right back to normal.
Finally.
Oh, wow. Minnie? Manny? What exactly happened around here? So then I grabbed the robot, which froze me, and I was like, "You naughty robot, stay away from my home and my planet."
My brave son.
I'm so glad to have you back here on our planet Earth, you guys. We missed you so much.
We missed you terribly too.
But we should get back. Our pink planet is still under an invasion of our own. We must drive away the robots once and for all, as well as the tree shop-a-lot from Earth.
Well, it's a shame you have to go back.
At least stay and watch my tennis game tomorrow.
We would never go back without watching you, Neşe.
She finally won! Neşe finally won! My very own sister took the title.